got a little bit more background noise going on today. I'm trying to get the garage kind of sorted and some heat running, but it's actually warmer outside than it is inside because it is heating up, and it is heating up fast. I haven't made a video in quite some time. I'll make it short. Appreciate all the love on those, all the likes, all the time and affection you guys are giving me on those. It was my first viral video, so I've been kind of pushing those a little bit. Views are consistent, repeatable, and they're kind of fun to make. It's just different. I'm trying to challenge myself in a different way creatively. It is so bright out here. We have not had a day above freezing in a long time, so I'm trying to take full advantage of it. As you can tell, we've got a decent amount of snow. We actually have a huge snowstorm coming in a couple days, so there might be some more cool content coming from that, but the car won't be here. I'm actually going to drop it off and swap it out for an Escalade, which might make some videos on because that'll be fun too, but we will see what I get up. Talk about the car. Let's talk about what's going on. 114,000 something kilometers, give or take a few. This winter's been an interesting beast, to say the least, but it has been fun. The damage to the car was there from the summer. I did sideswipe a guardrail, so I got to figure out how to get that fixed this summer. Got to put tires on it because the summers are absolutely bald. We're going to do brakes in the spring. We're doing a whole bunch of stuff in the spring, so I'm working, prepping, getting parts, getting ready for that. I'm also going to try to get the exhaust back on, the wing put back on. Some of it's got to get painted, some of it's got to get fixed. Little things. Car is dirty, obviously. Inside super dirty. I guess not as obvious, but it is super dirty, mainly because it's been so cold. It's been minus 25, 30 Celsius a lot with wind and very just miserable conditions. All my camera batteries froze. My phone didn't want to record. Like, there's just no winning at this, so I just decided to take a break. Someone commented on my videos a long time ago, if you don't have any content, just don't make videos. Making stupid stuff for the sake of making stupid stuff just doesn't blend well for who I think I am as a person. So we're going to run with that a little bit, and we're going to be okay with that. I am going to take it later because we are getting so warm today, and I am going to take it to the car wash. Try and get some of the salt off and some of the crud, I guess, in prep, but it is just going to get dumped in snow and buried a fair jaunt away from where she lives normally, which is what it is. Car's been great though, no complaints. Did an oil change on it. This thing just runs like a top, and it's so consistent. The only things that aren't holding up well are things that I did, like the aftermarket lug nuts are all rusted. Well, I'll get a new pair in the spring, I guess, but it is what it is. That just cheap. They were like 30 bucks because my other ones had kind of toasted after being put on and off the car so many times. But just mainly the salt. I am definitely not loving how dirty this car is. Yeah, no. I just wanted to zoom in. I wanted you guys to feel the pain with me. So that's that. I don't know. It's kind of been a low-key winter. Owning the car for the last while has been low-key because I'm not going anywhere, doing anything, events, car shows, all that kind of stuff. Is there moisture in my taillight? Oh, I don't know. Kind of looks like it. I don't know, maybe it's just a little bit of dirt. Maybe I'm being a little bit paranoid. You never know, though. So that's it. Just a quick, simple February. Car's doing great. Stay tuned for more info, more content. We're going to put this thing back together and have some fun.